welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. So today I'm bringing you the last in my Fansells haul, which I've divided up by category. So these three paintings are all from the new for 2020 category, and I just decided to pick a variety I liked. So let's have a look what's in the first one. I have had to just slip open the top of all of these so that I could divide them up for my videos, but I haven't opened up the canvases and had a good look at all. So this first one, oh yes, this was one of the bird ones. So there was quite a few bird ones that they had. They're a little bit abstract, but quite often I like that in a diamond painting, in the fact that I find the picture can often turn out a bit better than, you know, maybe a photograph will, because, you know, they are supposed to look a bit different. So I'm just sort of bending and stretching the canvas so it'll lie flat. They do lie flat, these folded glue ones, eventually. Oh, what fluff from my cardigan on me. So yeah, this is a couple of birds. And all of these ones are sort of diamond paintings. Hi, sorry about that. Probably came in from work, so I said hello and made myself a brew. Can't remember where I was up to. Anyway, yeah, they had a few sort of abstract bird designs, so I thought this would be a nice one to do. It's down as being 30 by 30. But the real drill size is just under 25 by just under 25. So it'll be the canvas size that is 30 by 30, but it's all clear. I've not had any problems with clarity on any of these, but this has 26 colours, and it does come with DMC numbers, this one. Got basic toolkit, pen, wax, tray, and then we have a multitude of colours. So these are quite bright colours. I do find that I do like working with them when the colours change and are quite vibrant. So we've got some yellows, we have got some black, luckily not too many. We've got some greys, blues, more yellows, greens, reds. What's that one? 606. But we do have 666 as well. So we've got some nice vibrant greens, yellows, quite a few different shades of yellow. And then we have got some burgundies and some more reds, some more lime greens, purples. Then we've got some more yellows and greens. And then the last few, what's that one? Oh, that is 3371, a dark brown. But again, there's not too much of that. So that's the first one from... Ooh, trying to get them to wrap up again. Because I do tend to store the diamonds that come from Fansells in these smaller paintings. I do tend to keep them in the packaging that they come in. I just tend to put a little sticker on the front to tell me which one it is. I just find that one's a little bit easier. So this one was £3.99. So this was £3.99 out of the new in 2020. What was my next one? Let's have a look. See. Oh, so this one again is another full drill. This one was £4.99, and I'm opening it the wrong way. So this one is a little bit bigger, but it does look as though the borders and stuff are bigger, so the image is going to be smaller. This one has a lot less colours, so this one is 13 colours, and this one is Mickey and Minnie. I thought it was sweet. So yeah, it does have less colours, but it's not, you know, a huge amount. I'm guessing I'm going to have black in this. though it doesn't tell me if it's black, but I guess it is. So the actual drill area on this one is 23, even though the canvas size is 30. And then going down it's 33. So 23 by 33. But you can still make out what the image is, which is the main thing in my opinion. We've got your basic toolkit, pen, tray, wax. And then let's have a look at the colours. Okay, so let's have a look. Excuse the noise. Okay, so 13 colours. We have some red, which you would expect. We do have some sort of off-white colours, which I'm guessing is what will give us a little bit of shading around the feet. We've got some more reds, browns, we have got some greens, but we do find that get that quite often in black and whites. We've got greys, and then yeah, we do have a lot of black. Doesn't say it's 310, but there's 2 packs of them. I guess it is. Then we do have a fair amount of a white, or what could be 3865, and then we've got some burgundies, greys and pinks. So enough of variety, I think, to make this a little bit different. So let's get those in there. Have got an escaping black diamond as well by the looks of it. There's one floating about in the packaging. And let's get those in there. So that's Mickey and Minnie. Let me pull back this cover just hopefully to give you a clear view. But it does have number 1, which of course we think is the black, or at least I think is 310 black, is a white symbol on black, so the symbols are clear, and in this case it's numbers 1 to 9 with a 0 and then 3 letters, F, H and Y. So ain't gonna get them muddled up. So nice clear symbols, 13 colours. And then the last one in new for 2020, this one was also $4.99, but this one is a little bit different. So you would class this as a partial, but that is because this one is a special drill. I just thought this one looked quite striking. I think it's the rainbow effect as well. So let me get it to behave. Again, it's poured glue, so I can get away with treating the canvas a little bit rough to get it to go flat. It's not glued in all places, so this has got no glue because this is where it's sticky. So I'm just folding it back on itself for now. They do tend to settle down before I actually tend to work on them, but I'll have to test the iron feature out and confirm whether an iron works on them. But yeah, I thought that was quite striking. It's got the different shapes and stuff in it as well, and sort of the rainbow effect. I thought it would be fun. So toolkit, we've got basic tray wax pen. We do also get some baggies in that one. And then we have 15 different shapes and colours in this one. So it does look as though some of the shapes repeat at the top and the bottom, so of course the colour comes in but then goes out again. So let's have a look at the colours that we get. So they're all in these baggy types. So we have purple, 2 types of green, blue or 2 types of blue, red, pink, then we have some pink hearts, we have some blue leaf shapes, then we have some iridescent in the leaf shape, sort of hint of purple in them, iridescent again but with a hint of green in 2 different sizes. We've got some purple, We've got some purple circle iridescent, and then we've got some that have got more of a hint of a yellow, but again they're iridescent. So I think that one will be fun. We just measure across. Okay, 3 packs. I need to make sure that I measure across so that I know how many I'm folding these into, to make sure that I can get them back in their packaging. Oh, watch it not work for me now either. Yeah, we can. We've got it back in. So let's have a look how big this one is. So it states it is 30 by 40. Now I'm going to class the drill area as round by this blue border. Even though it's a partial, the blue border is what would be a nice framing size, and that is 24 by just under 34. So 24 by 34 is what I would class as your drill area, and then of course you've got the sides, which is what makes it 30 by 40. That is the image that it shows, but I think in special diamonds with all those different shapes, that's going to look really nice. That's going to be a nice one to do. So just to confirm, my paintings for my new in 2020 is special shape deer. I got a Mickey and a Minnie and birds. So they're the 3 I got to showcase some of the new in items. Of course I'll put links to them all below if you want to check them out. Delivery time is a little bit slower at the moment just due to what's going on, but you find delivery times with many are. I don't know why I'm moving them out the way and not leaving you something to look at, but yeah, I hope you've enjoyed all the goodies I've showcased over my last 4 videos. Hopefully there'll be something that will spark your interest there, but yeah, let me know your thoughts and comments in the comments below, or if you want to discuss things in more detail, you can join my Facebook group, which is also going to be detailed below, and that will give you, you know, the chance to discuss it with Minnie. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.